manyaman ing pamangan dareng Kapampangan.
In the following videos, we are on a mission to discover Kapampangan cuisine. When we think of Filipino food, the first dish that often comes to mind is the classic Filipino adobo. But it's so much more than that. Here in Pampanga, the culinary capital of the Philippines,
Join us on an amazing food adventure.
is where the true adventure in Filipino food begins.
Hello everyone, I am Somebody and we are here at one of the most famous Kapampangan restaurant. They're famous here for their grill and Kapampangan dishes. And we are here today specifically at their Angeles branch, located at Aniceto, Gueco Street, Angeles City, Pampanga. So here we are at Funnside Ningnangan, Angeles City. Is it really fun inside? We will know later. So it looks very simple outside with the traditional bamboo and nipa hut design. And then from the long distance away, you can already spot the beautiful and colorful banderitas. Do you call this banderitas? Or the decoratives. So it looks like that they're having a celebration or fiesta here all year round. Alright, so let's go inside.
Welcome to Ningnangan Angeles.
Welcome, sir. So once you step inside the restaurant, it seems like you step inside a nipa hut or a bamboo hut. You can see the bamboo and then wooden chairs and tables everywhere. It really does scream that this place serves good Filipino food. Wow, the style of ordering here, it's like I'm in the farmer's market. From the display of ingredients to the actual booth itself. And then everything here is actually self-serve. So you get the ingredients that you want, you put it on this tray, and then you let them cook. And then it also reminds me of like a canteen style restaurant. Like you what do you call this? You point to the food that you want, but rather here you get it by yourself and then you pay at the counter over there, and then they will cook it for you, and then they will deliver it to your table. There's actually a lot of choices here. And let's start with the seafoods. Look, they have squid, they have Filipino tilapia, they have catfish here, and then they also got tuna belly, and tuna, what do you call this? Then let's start with the seafoods. So let's get a piece of this squid. Oh, and then you just put it on the tray. I also got one of this bangus. They got Filipino milkfish. Wow, it's a huge milkfish. So one of this milkfish. And then catfish. Do I want to eat catfish now? See, do I want catfish? No, I don't want catfish. And then let's try this tuna. We got tuna, big tuna collarbone here. Wow, it's a big piece of tuna collarbone. This huge tuna collarbone. Thank you. And then, what else gonna get? Oh, so there are a lot of ingredients here, and then there's more over here. So yeah, it feels like I'm in the market actually. Like the way I am getting my ingredients here. Yeah, you pick whatever you want. You pick what looks best for you, and then just put it on our tray. Get some of those shrimps. Also get a crab. Oh, let's get a crab. Well, I'm not sure which one should I pick. Let's pick this one. So Live crab. Wow. Oh, the crab. Oh, these are fresh live crabs. So yeah, I think most ingredients here are pretty fresh. Should I just give it to them? Should I give it to them? Yeah, I just give it to them. Then let's get some more food here. Then let's get some of this. I think these are pork intestines. All right. Thank you. That was pork intestines. And then cover it up. You need to cover it up after you get the food. And then they get some Filipino barbecue. Let's get some of this barbecue. And then you also got some pork belly. I think these are also gonna be grilled. So let's get some pork belly. Oops, sorry. Get one pork belly here. Wow. And cover it up. What's this? It's a chicken butt. Oh, they got some chicken butt. Let's try the chicken asshole. Let's try chicken asshole. Hey. Oh, get one of this. Oh, chicken asshole. Yeah. And then let's also get one of these salads. And then let's start paying at the counter. So after you get their ingredients, they're gonna weigh it up. Then they're gonna weigh it up to know how much does it cost. So the foods here are actually weighed, and then you pay by the weight. So aside from weighing up the ingredients, they also ask how your food wants to be cooked. And then they're gonna give you a number, and then the receipt. And then they're gonna get your ingredients here. All this, yeah. Oh. So Kuya here gonna get my ingredients, and then they're gonna bring it to the grill. And then here after they weigh up your food, they give you this receipt and then a number here, and then you're gonna pay in this counter. Oh, so we got our number here, and then we are right now in the grill. So we are grilling ourselves. Nah, I'm just joking. Let me try the grill. Whoa, smokiness from the grill. Wow, the grill is so hot, and then you can smell the smoke. You can smell the aroma from the smoke. Whoa, so good. Wow, you can smell the aroma from the smoke, the charness of the flavor, and then you can smell the Filipino barbecue flavor. Whoa, so amazing. Whoa, so even the water here are self-serve. So it's so hot right now, and then we already ordered our food, and then we're gonna get some water. Oh, refreshing. So let's head up to our table, and then you can see this restaurant is actually pretty huge. Then they got some private dining area there. So if you want some privacy, you can have your meal over this small nipa hut. What's that? We also got a huge TV over there. So I think you can watch that at night, because right now in the morning you can actually see anything. So yeah, this is a pretty huge restaurant, and then the design is pretty simple and it's feels like I'm in the rural area of the Philippines because of the design. From the bamboo nipa hut to the bamboo chairs and the bamboo tables. Alright, so we move inside because outside, unfortunately, there's a bit of a fly problem outside. So there's a bit fly outside, and then inside, yeah, there's no fly here, and then I'm gonna enjoy it better. And then let's start it with this calamansi juice. So it's very hot here in the Philippines. Then definitely got to refresh yourself up with some calamansi juice, and then let's try it. Oh, refreshing calamansi juice. It's not that sweet, just perfect. Then let's make up a Filipino sauce. So usually Filipino they like their sauce with some chili and then some calamansi. So let's squeeze some calamansi with some, what do you call this, soy sauce. So this is the perfect Filipino dip. And then let's get started eating. So here we have some delicious big tuna collarbone. So let's first try this tuna. Wow, look at the juice. Whoa, juicy tuna collarbone. Let's first try this collarbone. Let's try it first without the dip. Fresh, delicious. Smoky tuna collarbone. Oh, it's also juicy. Wow. You can taste the char, you can taste the grill, the Filipino grill. Wow. So amazing. And then of course, it is not a Filipino food when there is no rice. So let's get some rice. Whoa. And then let's try some. I'm gonna try first. How about the fish? Let's try the fish next. So this is the Filipino milkfish. So let's try this Filipino milkfish. The milkfish, the bangus, has that silky texture to the fish. And it still has some of the juice inside and it's tender. Wow. And then actually, I forgot to tell you a while ago, but that the name Ningnangan is actually grill. Ningnangan is actually the Kapampangan term of grill. So this place is called Funnside Ningnangan, and then they are known for its grill and then some Kapampangan dishes. Let's now try the pork belly, the grilled pork belly. So fatty, and then it melts in your mouth, and then there's some sweet Filipino glaze, Filipino barbecue sauce. The flavor is sweet, smoky. And then next up, let's try this pig intestine, fried pig intestine. In Filipino, this is called chicharron bulaklak. It's the direct translation for that is fried flour. Wait, is it correct? Fried flour. Chicharron is fried pig skin. So this is fried pig intestine in the shape of a flower. Yeah, in the shape of a flower. Because this looks like flour, right? Does it look like flour? And then let's dip it. Let's dip it in this vinegar, and then let's try it with the vinegar. Wow, so crispy, oily, greasy, and then yeah, the vinegar. Wow, some sweet, tangy vinegar pairs so well. Wow. Oh, so yeah, smells smoky and charred perfectly. So let's try it. The Filipino lean pork barbecue. Yeah, again, it has that sweet Filipino barbecue sauce flavor. And then, yeah, and then the grill. Wow, you can taste the smoke. You can taste that it's charred perfectly. But I like the pork belly more because it has more of the fat. This one is a little bit on the leaner side. So next up, let us try this crab. This is crab in butter and garlic sauce. So you can actually choose on either what type of cooking style that you want. So they can grill this crab up and then they can also steam it up. But I choose this butter and garlic style. So let's try this crab meat. Let's dip it in the sauce again. Let's sauce it up. So buttery. And then silky, smooth crab. Smooth crab meat. So silky, buttery, garlicky. Oh. So next up, let's try this grilled squid, or in Filipino it's called pusit. And then let's try it. Wow, pretty long. So this is grilled, and then there's vegetables. They are grilled with vegetables inside. And then let's dip it inside this calamansi and toyo, and calamansi and soy sauce. Wow, wow. You can taste it. I think there's peppers inside. There's pepper. There are peppers inside the squid. First bite, you can taste the pepper. I think it's bell pepper, and then there's onion, tomato, and then the squid is soft, and then it's not rubbery at all. It's perfectly cooked. Oh, forgot to show you that they also got some barbecue sauce over here. So we also got some house special barbecue sauce. So let's try what does this sauce taste like. Let's try with the squid. Try with the squid. So let's sauce up the squid. Whoa, it's a thick sauce. Wow. This is the barbecue sauce. And this in the Filipino barbecue. Wow. It's sweet. And then it's a little sweet, and then it's a little bit peppery. This will go well with almost everything here. And then next, let's try the Filipino pancit, or the Filipino noodles. It's bihon. This is bihon. And then let's try this Filipino bihon, or the Filipino noodles. It's alright. It has that peppery taste to it, and then it's very simple noodles. Seasoned properly. You can taste the salt, the pepper, some vegetables. Yeah. Oh, and then let's also try this fried okoy, or the Filipino fried vegetable pancake with shrimp. So it has a orange color. And let's dip it in the vinegar. Let's take a bite. There's actually sweet potato inside. Sweet potato, carrots. This is a savory pancake, and then it's also, it's pretty greasy, but if you dip it in the vinegar, it cuts off the grease. So yeah, also pretty good. Wait, I think there's also some plantains inside, or saba of the banana. Banana saba. Yes, I can taste some flavor of the plantain. Yeah, so it's a bit sweet and savory, but it's more heavier on the savory side. So pretty good. Oh, I forgot to try this. Almost forgot this one. The chicken ass. So let's get this part. This one in Filipino this is called paldeot. So this is a chicken ass. So, wow, look at this. In most countries, they usually throw this part of the chicken away, but here in the Philippines, they eat this. They eat their asses. So let's try with this is in the soy sauce. Wow. Chicken asses are pretty good. It's fatty. It's also charred perfectly. There's some crispiness from the skin because of the char. And then, yeah, fatty, juicy. Wow. Let's try the ass part itself. Mmm. Wow. So good. I like this one. Wait, let's add more of this barbecue sauce to enhance its flavor. And try with some rice. Heaven is for real. Then lastly, let's try this Filipino sisig. This is actually one of my favorite Filipino dish. So this is a pure Kapampangan food. So this because this sisig is actually made in Pampanga here. It is originated in Pampanga. And then let's try if it's good here. So let's squeeze some calamansi into the sisig. And let's try this sisig.
God still has something for them to do, kaya they are still with you. And wala lang, nakakatawa lang.
Sisig.
Hindi natin alam.
It's Filipino sisig.
It makes everything happen from 5 years to 11 years. Diba? One miracle goes on.
Wow.
Yes. That's
This one in particular is
you're singing naman.
smoking. I think
Galing pala.
the sisig meat is smoked first and then it's smoky, it's a bit savory, there's a hint of sweetness from the onions inside.
God bless you and
And then at the bottom plate of this sisig, it's a little bit crispy from the sizzling because it's been sizzling a while ago. So it's a little bit crispy, it's charred. And then, you get the chewiness from the meat. You get some crispiness, some chewiness, some fattiness, wow. And then some sweetness from the onions. Wow, my all-time favorite food. My all-time favorite Filipino food. So I just learned a new word. It's called Manyaman ing Pamangan Dareng Kapampangan. It means Kapampangan food are so delicious. And then it is true that Kapampangan food are really delicious. I really enjoyed all of this. Wow. And then so kind of them. They also brought me some complimentary desserts. So they gave me some flan. This is called leche flan in Philippines, in Tagalog. It's called leche flan. So this is a normal flan. Let's try this flan. So they gave this for free. Wow, so creamy. One of the creamiest flan that I've ever tasted. So good. And then this one, we got some. I think this is some sort of Filipino dessert. I'm not sure what is this. Yeah, it smells. It has a layer of cheese on the top, and then at the bottom, I don't know what are these white stuffs. I think it's gelatin, some sort. Let's try this. There's a white layer at the bottom, and then in the upper layer, this color yellow, and then there's a cheese, and then there's some cheese on the top. Let's try this one. Whoa. Wow. Wow, this is so good. I don't know what dessert is this. I think this is the Filipino Maha Blanca. Yeah. It has so sweet, and then it's creamy, and it has some of that corn taste to it. So yeah, I think this is Maha Blanca. Oh yeah, there's a bit of the corn. You can see the corn. So this is Filipino Maha Blanca, but this is the first time I've eaten this kind of Maha Blanca. Normally, Maha Blanca is like gelatin or gulaman because of its consistency, but this one is the creamiest Maha Blanca that I have ever tried. What? Wow. Wow, there's sound. Wait. You can hear the sound? Oh, so this place doesn't only serve food, but they also have some toys over here. So yeah, I think it's a pretty fun part of this restaurant. So they sell toys. I like this one, the dinosaur. Wow, it's gonna be my intro next time. Oh, this one's broken. It's gonna be my intro That's gonna be my intro for the next videos. So here you go, guys. That is our first part of our Kapampangan food adventure. And then we also take out most of our foods because there's so many food, and then we can finish it all. And then highly recommend this restaurant, Funnside Ningnangan. I really had a very fun day today, and then food are pretty nice, servers are very great, and then the hospitality of this restaurant, top notch. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you on the next Kapampangan food adventure.